Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we have a nice one here. We have the Kaido house, Kaido Works X Mini GT, Nissan GTR, Nissan Skyline GTR R34, the Hornet. And yes, this is a collaboration between Kaido house and Tamiya. If you don't know, Tamiya is quite famous for their cars as well, if you don't know, and they just collaborated with Kaido House. Now I know this is quite a 3 to 4 month old product, if you don't know. Yes, I had this a long time already by now. It's maybe been 2-3 months or so by now since I had this, and I didn't really have time to review, but now I am back at reviewing more Kaido products, and I will sneak peek to you guys some of the upcoming Kaido house cars that I have with me to review soon. And this is basically one of it we're reviewing today, which is the Hornet, made by Kaido House. And as you can see, you have a pretty simple box right here, fully in white, I believe. Let's start from the front of the box. So you have the gorgeous side view of the Hornet R34, Nissan Skyline GTR R34, the Hornet number 93, Kaido House Mini GT, Tamiya Kaido House collaboration, metal body, alloy wheels, rubber tires, opening hood, and detailed engine. There's the Hornet logo right there, Tamiya collaboration right there. Here you have Kaido House Mini GT as well as Hornet. Again, there is the other side, and here is the other side as well. Let's take a look at the bottom of the box. Ages 14 and up, collector's model, blah blah blah. Nissan Motor Corporation. You'll have your warnings, TSM model right there, Nissan Skyline GTR R34, Tamiya X Kaido House, the Hornet. Now, you might be thinking, what are these other Kaido House cars that I have with me right now? I'm gonna show you one of the interesting ones first. Now, if you can recall correctly, this is my second R34 in this channel that I've done a review of, which is the Hornet, and the previous one would be the Grady Nissan GTR R34, colored in green. Now, I did mention in that video that I will make an update when the Kaido House Honda NSX Kaido House car will arrive, or at least debut. And a few people did commented on that video, and yes, here it is, the NSX Kaido House, Kaido Works version 1 NSX. That will be in a separate video, you can go check that out. Other than that, we have a special R34, which is actually new in the new chassis body kit right here. We have the Japan Police Kaido House R34 in the Japan Police livery, in the version 2 spec body kit. And the other one would be another great one right here. We have the Nissan GTR R33 Carbon R version 1, which is also coming really soon. That will be also in a separate video. And last but not least, that I especially want to cover, I've done a shorts video of this as well. This is the Skyline R34 Kaido Racing version 1 in pink, which I am gonna review soon. Maybe a few videos after this Hornet review today. And yes, that's how far behind I am for the Kaido series. So I'm trying to make some gaps sometimes, and also review products that I have not touched in a while. So for example, CM model I've covered pretty much a lot already by now. And this is the next thing that I want to focus on, which is Kaido House. So without further ado, let's actually open up the Kaido right here. So we'll take a look inside the box here. Right now we have so it says anytime baby right there. Kaido House Mini GT, pretty much the same thing. And then when you tip over, you can see the inside where it shows the R34, which is not a chase of course, but still yeah, really do like to see that right there. So yeah, you have your pretty good simple looking Kaido House box right there. Let's take a look at the car first here. That is what comes in the box. We have our HORNET Kaido House R34 Nissan Skyline, and that looks very nice. You have some carbon bits here and there, which I'm gonna focus in detail later on in the video, but still looks very nice so far. And like I said early on in the video, this is my second Nissan GTR R34 Kaido House review, which the first one, if you can recall correctly, was the gritty, colored in green. The second one would be this, which is colored in black, HORNET right here, metallic black. The third one hopefully will be, like I showed just now, the Japan Police Kaido House R34, and last but not least, of course, would be the pink one. And I guess more to come in the future, who knows. But then again, this is a wonderful looking R34 right here, colored in this lovely looking metallic jet black, if you ask me. And yeah, you do have some carbon accents here and there, carbon fiber, black carbon right there, which is stunning to see. You have some neat fine looking details. You have your yellow roll cage first of all, your gray interior, your carbon bits like I said just now on the side of the car, and then for the hood, as well as the body kit parts right there. And yeah, of course you do have some chrome silvery bits as well on the rims, as well as the exhaust tips, which look pretty magnificent if you ask me. And yeah, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this lovely looking Nissan GTR. And here it is, the Kaido House, Kaido Works Nissan GTR R34 collabed with the HORNET, or collabed with Tamiya. And yeah, here it is, the car. So as you can see, we'll start off from the rims. We have 6-spoke white colored rims with the chrome silver like barrel outer barrel lining right there, which looks nice right here. Chrome silver, which is yeah, pretty good to see. And then you do have your sort of thin rubber tires, which are nice. And yeah, again, these are yeah, filled with some chrome silver bits here and there. And if you see properly at the back right here, you can see the Tamiya logo right there. And then yeah, here is our first carbon part right here on the side, carbon black right there at the body kit right there. The body kit that they use right here is colored in sort of a carbon black, which is carbon fiber of course. Yeah, you do have an orange yellow stripe running from the back towards the front of the car right there. You have the number 7 right there, lucky 7, some people like to say that. Yeah, you do have a sponsor right here, I think that says Proholic right there. 100% Kaido House right there at the bottom right. And then the HORNET right there on the door, which is nice. You have the HORNET B logo right there again. Sorry, not B, but HORNET, of course. You have the HORNET logo right there. You have the front carbon piece right here at the front, which is plastic. Of course, this is the body kit expansion, basically the wide body, which is nice. The front rims are pretty much the same thing as the rear rims. And then of course you do have your blacked out plastic side mirror, oh sorry, rubber side mirror right there, colored in black, which is nice. Moving towards the front of the car, we do have some yellow tinted headlights right there, which looks gorgeous. You do have, I believe, your blinkers right here colored in orange. You do have your GTR logo right there on the front grille. You do have some vents here at the bottom. It says the Hornet right there at the bottom as well. You have your front splitter, which is detailed in carbon fiber, which is nice. You do have your side canards right here on the front end of the car. 2 on each side, I believe. Yeah, there it is. And you do have another sponsor right here. Moving towards the hood, yes, you have more exposed carbon fiber right there for the hood details right there. Looks very, very nice. Fine carbon details. Says the Hornet right there at the front. You have your number 7 again, and then you have the Hornet logo again. And yeah, I'll show the opening feature after this for the hood. And of course, you do have your regular windshield tint. Sort of like a gray, matte gray interior dashboard and all. You have the Hornet for the windshield text right there, and it says off-roader. I don't know why is it off-roader right there on the roof. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the roof. Now for that opening feature, hold on, let me just try to open it first. There you go. Pretty simple enough. Here is the opening engine feature right there. Pretty much similar to the green Greddy R34 that I've done a review of. But I believe that one had a different colored engine, I believe. This one is sort of like a matte gold-ish engine right there, which is nice. You do have that chrome silver bar right there, and you do have some interesting details here and there for the engine, which I do love. Overall, fine, neat looking details. Really do like it. And next up, let's take a look. Oh yeah, the interior, I forgot to mention, other than the dashboard and the interior and all, I forgot to mention the roll cage for the car, which is colored in yellow, sort of like a lemon yellow, which I really do like. Pretty much a nice touch to the car as well. Here's the other side, pretty much the same thing, just if you're wondering. So yeah, pretty much the same. Moving towards the back of the car, you have some more exposed carbon right here for the trunk space right here. Obviously the trunk, sorry. Starting from here towards the back right here. So you do have this rear lip right here, which is nice looking. And then again, it says Anytime Baby right there. You have your Nissan logo, your GTR logo right there. You have your brake lights, your Skyline text right there. Circular rear lights right here on both sides. And then what else? It says the Hornet right there. You do have your reverse and brake lights as well. And it does say Shizuoka for the license plate, which is nice. Not sure what type of license plate is that. I don't think it's, obviously it's not a Japanese license plate or anything. I'm not entirely sure what type of license plate is that, but it looks cool. So you have twin exhaust tips on both sides right here, colored in chrome silver, which is nice. And then of course at the bottom right here, you do have some more exposed carbon right here, which is covering up the exhaust tips area right here, which is nice. And then oh yeah, we're already at the base right here. So let's see, 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR R34, used under license, made in China, Kaido house, and obviously metal base. And you have your screw right there. And yeah, overall it looks pretty nice and I really do like it. So yeah, like I said early on in the video, there are a ton of Kaido house cars to come that I've showed you a preview on early in the video, and I hope you guys are excited to watch those videos. Especially, I believe many of you are tempted to see the NSX Kaido specifically, because that is also one of my most anticipated Japanese JDM Kaido house cars. Of course, made by Kaido House, or Junimai, if you don't know, the designer at Kaido House, the founder of Kaido House. And yeah, I am really excited to review the NSX next, I hope. And overall, I really do like it. This R34 HORNET model, which looks pretty great. Nonetheless, colored in this metallic black, like I said, with some exposed carbon fiber parts right here on the car, which looks great. And overall, they are pretty sick. And overall, with the color of the car, it brings up a very nice looking car itself. And yeah, there you go. That's my full review of the Nissan Skyline GTR R34, the HORNET, made by Kaido House and GT. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also do stay tuned for my review of the other Kaido House cars. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.